Gracie, are you climbing up Daddy? Are you climbing up your daddy? Hi, Bo. Hi. Are you dancing? You're a dancing machine. Climb up Daddy. You can do it.
Sad.
There's our whiny-roo right now. He doesn't feel very good. He doesn't feel very good. Him and Sissy had their first bout of the tummy flu. Hi, Bear. Going up, Grace. Climb up your daddy. Hi. There she goes. There she goes, on her toes. Gracie, slow down, my love.
July 20th, 2016?
It's 9 months, 6 months adjusted.
Whoa!
There she is, on her toes. Using Daddy. She pulled herself up. Oh, we're going to cruise Daddy's legs.
This is gonna end in misery, Grace.
Yeah, we're not very good at figuring out how to get down. Bo, what's wrong?
Ow.
Hi,
She's
buddy.
pinching.
She's holding on.
Ripping leg hair.
Gracie. Hi. She says, look at me, Bo. Boom! Down she goes.
Hey, Bo.
Good job, Grace. Bye-bye, Bo Bear.